So one of the ways that I'm making sure that I do better follow-up is by making sure I have this here is a board on Trello, and what I'm doing is I'm using check-in dates as my list dates. So for example, I'm going to divide the year into basically 24 segments, and these will be the days that I check in with people. These are what works for my schedule. You can choose something else. Anyway, on and on through. Then I'm add a card for each person that I'd like to check on, and you can make these cards as complicated or easy as you want. Alright, so these are the people I'm transferring from a list I already have. Alright, once I talk with them today, I'm going to move them. So Sarah Jones is like, catch me next payday. Alright, I will. Tina Jones is like, oh man, I'm moving. Can you, and I say, well, can you, would it be alright if I check in with you in a couple of weeks? Yeah, sure. A couple months, way after she's done moving. Alright, that's when I'll check in with her again. Shay was like, not a good month for me. Okay, so this becomes then my list of to talk tos. So same with Lisa. She needed to wait for another payday. He wants his own party, so I'll talk to him then. And then I come in here, I've got a little trigger on my calendar. Hey, May 16th. Okay, this is who I'm talking to today. Check in with them. You know, like have a conversation. June 1st, this is who I'm talking to, etc. And then as others join parties that I'm doing or whatever, they become a lead, I can add them in, say, you know, I have a party June 1st, and she is suddenly interested. I'm going to add her. I talk to her then. Obviously, I'm going to talk to her a couple more times, but then I have her card to move around as well. So let me just show you what you can do. There's so much you can do here. You can change the colors. Oof. There's no limit to how you can change this card. If you double click on it, you can have, you know, likes Anna Hibiscus books, or posted, you know, whatever, save it. And then you can even include a checklist with each person, you know, checklist, yeah, like sent, packet, whatever you want to do. And it can go for each person. So you can add an item, send happy mail, and then it'll add it on in there. So lots of potential with this. I'm keeping it simple though, so this is what mine will look like for follow-up.